Hi, my name's Jürgen Hohen. This is triggering a Qualtrics survey from Salesforce and how to do it. It's just a verbal description of it. That's it. There's a longer tutorial, about 6-7 minutes that I have if you want to see it on the channel. Basically, you go into Qualtrics, you go into this survey you want to trigger. In that survey, you create a flow. That flow, right, generates a specific URL for Salesforce. You could do JSON like from AWS, right? You could do HubSpot, you could trigger that. But in Salesforce, not in Salesforce, in Qualtrics, it triggers, you go, oh, Salesforce, I want to trigger from Salesforce. So it creates a flow. Then next, in the flow, you add the field mapping from that object, say the lead object. And it'll look a little bit different, but you say, okay, lead object, check. What does it see? First name, last name, email, and Salesforce ID. Why Salesforce ID? Because all the interaction is triggered off the Salesforce ID, which goes back into Salesforce. So you can see what they interacted with. In Salesforce, you do the same thing. Say on the object, like the lead object, you have a new lead. Okay, that's the condition, new lead created. You create a flow. If new lead created, and plus you do an outbound message. That outbound message goes from Salesforce to the unique URL for that survey in Qualtrics with the Salesforce ID of the lead record. Right, so new lead, set, triggers, person does the survey or not, or looks at it, it all then cycles back via Salesforce ID to the lead record, and you see the entire interaction. And that's how you trigger a Qualtrics survey from Salesforce. Two flows, linked via unique URL, and the feedback loop is Salesforce ID. Thank you.